Hello everybody, today I'm with Julie. She's leaving us tomorrow.
Unfortunately.
She wanted to stay here more.
Yeah.
But whenever she wants, she can visit. Okay, so you became part of our family. She had some facial procedures with us. I hope she enjoyed her experience, but from the beginning, we were around her and to look after her, but because our followers and possible patients are actually seeking to hear from you, they may see the results because we will share your all process from the beginning, and after maybe months we will also share, but they just want to hear the first experience,
Of course.
how they can feel.
Of course. I'm somebody who's visited Turkey on a number of occasions for previous surgeries, and I just want to state how different this experience has been. Although the previous surgeries that I had, I'm very pleased with the outcome, the results. The whole process here has been seconds to none. Immediately on meeting the doctor, I felt really comfortable, very, very relaxed also. The surgery itself was wonderful and I recovered very, very quickly, although I still do look very swollen. I had some CO2 laser resurfacing a couple of days ago, which I'm still recovering from. But my pain levels have been virtually non-existent. I think I took a paracetamol once on leaving the hospital to return to the hotel, so I've had no pain whatsoever. The whole experience again has been wonderful, and I've been extremely supported by Dr. Cetinkaya's team. The team he has working for him are absolutely incredible. Coming from a different country can be quite daunting for a lot of people. I've left my husband and my daughter back at home in Scotland, but I've never felt alone over here. Every single day, one of his wonderful nurses, Aisha, who I feel now is like a sister to me, has been checking on me regularly, making me feel really comfortable, but also delivering the very best level of aftercare service following my surgery. If anyone is thinking about coming to a country like Turkey for surgery, I cannot recommend coming to Dr. Cetinkaya highly enough. For his overall procedures and the way they've been carried out has been wonderful, but the aftercare, things like the hospital is, I believe, a hybrid hospital focused on medical patients, and not once in the hospital have I ever felt concerned because we have a 24-hour infirmary there with the best levels of care, so I know that at any point if something was wrong, I could go to the infirmary and reach out to someone and have that level of care there as well. But the experience has been absolutely wonderful.
Okay, that's very good to hear from you, but we are trying to create this service for all our patients, and it took years for us to create all the team, and also we have a nurse actually taking care about you on the first night, because the first night is difficult. Yes, you had just paracetamol after procedure, but sometimes it can be a little bit painful. Also, we have options to use other medications, including narcotic analgesics, but they can cause vomiting and other side effects. So sometimes they think we don't have these options. We have these options, but we prefer the basic medications for pain relief. But also paracetamol is enough for pain reduction. But you're strong, that's good.
Yes, I had a good recovery. On that note, something that I do want to mention, I've mentioned Aisha. Inji is one of the other nurses here who's been wonderful, but the care and attention I received from a nurse called Lola, and I really do want to mention Lola because Lola was by my side during the first evening after the surgery. I'm somebody who does always suffer from a lot of sickness after general anaesthetic. That's been the only challenge, but that's something that I was aware of before I came over here. Even though I was suffering from sickness that night, Lola did not leave my side. So again, I hope that this video reaches Lola also, because the care and attention that I received from her was just wonderful.
Thank you for all. Okay, so hope to see you again.
Absolutely, I'm planning on visiting already next year with my husband to introduce him to the new family.
Great, okay.
Thank you.